सदाशिवसमारम्भां व्यासशङ्करमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। ॐ नमो भगवते अरुणाचलेश्वर शिव शिव श्री गुरुदक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ शिवाय गुरवे नमः। अन्बे शिवम्। Embodiment of Divine Souls, Amma's most beloved sweet children. Today is the most auspicious Guru Purnima festival. Guru Purnima, a great day, a blessed day, a divine day. Guru, he who is going to destroy the ignorance in the heart of the disciple, not only take off this ignorance and darkness from the life, he is leading like a pioneer in the path of truth. And not only like a pioneer, and Guru took the responsibility of your entire life to attain realization in this lifetime. Very beautiful responsibility. That is the meaning of the two letters Guru. Ishvaro Gururatmeti. Ishvara took the form of Guru. Guru is nothing but Sakshat Ishvara. Directly your Guru is Ishvara. Guru took the responsibility to attain realization, to attain your goal, your aim in this life. So that is the Guru's responsibility. The two letters of the Guru word is very powerful word. Today is Vyasadeva birthday. 5000 years before Vyasadeva, he compiled all the 4 Vedas. He brought the Sanatana Dharma knowledge for the mankind. For that reason, from that time onwards, people celebrated this Guru Purnima festival. But it not starts with Vyasadeva. Sadasiva Samarambham, Sanaka, Sanandana, Sanat Kumara, Sanasujata, the Maharshis are searching for to attain truth. In their research, they got Guru Dakshinamurti seated under the banyan tree in Tiruvannamalai. Tiruvannamalai. That word itself is giving so much peace and happiness, unbelievable light and unbelievable boundless bliss to your heart. Innumerable children love Tiruvannamalai. Yes, Thiru means Sri. Sri means Lakshmi. Lakshmi means light. Light. Thiru means light only. The light of all the lights of the universe. The supreme absolute light is Thiru, Tiruvannamalai. It's not a mountain. Directly Shankar Bhagavan in the form of Dakshinamurti blessed this entire universe with his physical existence there. And everybody was going 14 miles around the mountain and do the parikrama. How blessed all of you know. You are so blessed children. Unbelievable blessings and blissful consciousness blessed by Shankar Bhagavan when people are doing the parikrama around Tiruvannamalai. I believe Tiruvannamalai is not only in Tamil Nadu state in India. Tiruvannamalai is everywhere. Arunachala is all pervading. We cannot limit Arunachala only in the Tamil Nadu state. Arunachala, the effulgence is completely enveloping this entire cosmos. That is Arunachala. Arunachala. Just uttering the name of Arunachala, countless lifetimes ignorance, illusion, all the curtains are burned and we understand who we are, what is the purpose of our life, what is the destination, how can we reach our destination in this lifetime. And in your research, the Guru comes towards yourself and bless you to take you all the way in the path of Sanatan Dharma to attain truth in this life. That's right. Today, from the morning, people took the holy bath and then sprinkled some Ganga Jal on their head, completely without eating anything today. Observe silence and then meditation. How much time possible meditation in silence? That is the puja for the Guru's lotus feet. Regularly, to offer some flowers for the Guru in the evening time after the moonlight comes. The full moon comes, and then that time people are offering the white color lotus flowers, white color jasmine flowers, scented jasmine flowers, all the flowers to the Guru's lotus feet. But what we have to really offer to Guru? Guru was described in the Vedic literature like a beautiful biggest cloud, water cloud. That cloud is any time going to very pouring rain. Similarly, Guru's grace is not limited towards any country, continent. If Guru give up the physical existence also, Guru grace is like a pouring rain. What is this pouring grace? Kindness, compassion, knowledge, love. Innumerable things Guru, with the supreme knowledge, he blessed the disciple. With absolute love, he elevated his heart from the pains and sorrows and all the commotions of this world, and then always leading towards the spiritual path with the supreme Jnana Bodha, by the teachings of the spiritual knowledge. Innumerable things Guru was always watching the disciple, what the son was doing, what the daughter was doing, how I have to help them. This is the responsibility of the Guru. When he was traveling in the path of Sanatan Dharma, righteous values, finally he attained truth in this lifetime. With the blessing of Guru, definitely you attain realization in this lifetime. Amma's special motherly love and affection on this auspicious Guru Purnima day, uttering the name of Arunachala itself is salvation. So wherever you sit and chant the name of Arunachala, nin vidachi poninu na gunde lopala sthiramaga nundumo Arunachala. Oh Arunachala, I never allow you. When I close my eyes, I will make you like a prisoner in my eyes. I never allow you to go away from myself. Be always in my heart and give me the experience of the eternal bliss all the time. Waking, dreaming, sleeping, all times I want to be one with you. This is the beautiful composition of the Ramana Maharshi. He composed this beautiful song, this very, very feeling song.
Arunachala Siva, Arunachala Siva, Arunachala Siva, Arunachala.
Shiva, Arunachala Shiva, Arunachala Shiva, Arunachala.
Arunachala Siva, Arunachala Siva, Arunachala Siva, Arunachala.
Arunachala Shiva, Arunachala Shiva, Arunachala Shiva, Arunachala. शिव अरुणाचल शिव अरुणाचल अरुणाचल शिव अरुणाचल 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 शिव अरुणाचल शिव
What we have to do for this Guru who took this much of responsibility? Guru Purnima day, without eating anything, without drinking even water also, that evening after the moonlight comes, the full moon comes, then doing the Pada Puja to Guru's lotus feet. So if your Guru physically is not in the world, then Guru Paduka's Puja, you have to do the Guru Paduka Puja, Lotus Puja, or Bilva Patram. At least you have to offer one Bilva Patram to the Guru's lotus feet. So wherever there is Bilva tree is like Kasi Kshetram. The presence of Bilva tree is like a Kasi Kshetram. Doing so many hundreds of Aswamedha Yajnas, how much merit comes? If people do the Annadana, the Bhandar, like food charity, with thousands and thousands of times, how much merit comes? All these merits are not equal to do the puja to the Sivalingam with the Bilva Patras. That Bilva Patras to the Sivalingam, when we do the puja, definitely they will get the merit of to install a Sivalingam in the Kasi Kshetram. To install a Sivalingam in the Kasi Kshetram, we cannot get that blessing that much easy without any merits in our life. If you offer Guru Purnima day one Bilva Patram to the lotus feet of Guru, you will attain salvation, moksha. So Guru Upamanyu Maharshi, Guru Dadichi Maharshi, Guru Markandeya Maharshi, Guru Sanaka Sanandana, Sanas Kumara, Sanas Sujata, all of these Maharshis are very, 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 very madly love Shankar Bhagavan, Dakshinamurti Swami like anything. All Rishi Mandal is stick towards Shankar Bhagavan for detachment, for spirituality. They love him so much, they attain their goal. Still they have so much fascination towards the Dakshinamurti Swami. Adi Shankaracharya Nirvana Shatkam, all that you have to chant that mantras, very beautiful mantras. And also Dakshinamurti Stotram you have to do that. And do the Siva Puja today. Guru Paduka Puja you have to do. Observe silence and do charity to needy people. In the name of the Guru, you have to do that. Definitely, you must do some charity for the needy people, for education, for health problems, and for the knee replacement, and for the artificial legs. Some people are suffering with the eye problems and eye surgeries. We have to do some seva for the people without any anticipation. Just we have to do something like that. Observe completely silence. Completely silence means when we go and sit on a top of mountain, there is no noise there. But what about the inner mind and the karmendriyas and jnanendriyas are giving so much disturbance inside. Karmendriyas and jnanendriyas disturbance is like anything. Any disturbances are not that much nice. Very, very bad disturbance. You need the grace of Guru to control this disturbance. The wavering mind and the disturbing mind, the passions and desires and all commotions, unrest will be subside with the grace of Guru only. Vadivayaka tirige pranabandhuda. Annamacharya, one of the song, he sings about Guru. You are always behind me only, like my pranabandhuda. A very beautiful word. I have no translation for this word. Pranabandhuda means more than my life. You are more than my life. Guru is more than my prana. Always you are behind me, always protecting me from disasters. You never allow me in my life downfall. That is the Guru. Very beautiful, no? And then he was like a Kalamegama, the beautiful cloud, pouring rain on Mother Earth. Similarly, Guru's grace and compassion, like anything, in knowledge, pouring love and pouring affection and supporting in everything until to attain your destination, truth. That is the responsibility of Guru. What we have to give for this kind of Guru in our life. He who is the indweller of in all the creation, that Arunachala, let he have to bless you with abundance of bliss and the experience of eternal knowledge and eternal consciousness and samadhi state in this lifetime. Amma's motherly love once again for all of you. I love you so much again and again from the bottom of my heart. Amma's special motherly love to all of you babies. Thank you so much listening my words. I love you like anything, children. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.